How to get a motorcycle license in Texas. It is pretty straightforward. Watch the video till the end and don't miss any important step. First, all applicants must complete a Texas-approved motorcycle safety course which waives the motorcycle knowledge test. You also need a valid Texas driver's license. For minors, there are a few extra steps. If you are 15, you can apply for a motorcycle learner permit, but you are limited to bikes under 250cc until you turn 16. You also need a driver education certificate or Class C learner's license. Once your paperwork is ready, schedule an appointment at your local driver license office. Don't forget to bring your parent or guardian if you are under 18, along with your motorcycle safety course certificate, school verification, the BOE form, and your application fee. Next, you will take the practical riding test. It is pretty easy. Just check out some YouTube videos to prepare. If you are under 18, the test is mandatory. You will also need to provide your own motorcycle and a driver for the test. After passing, you will get a temporary license. Your official motorcycle license will arrive in the mail within 2 to 3 weeks. For out-of-state minors or to apply for a Class M license, check the Texas Department or Public Safety website for detailed setups and information. That's it. Thanks for watching.